There are 22 million low-income homeowners in the United States, and many of those cannot afford to or are physically unable to maintain their homes. The mission of Rebuilding Together Seattle is to bring volunteers and communities together to help low-income homeowners live in warmth, safety, and independence. Serving the greater Seattle area from Tukwila to Everett, Rebuilding Together Seattle assists the elderly, disabled, families with children, and veterans in need by providing them with free home repairs. All services are provided at no cost to the individual served. Since 1990, Rebuilding Together Seattle has restored over 800 homes and nonprofit facilities with the support of community sponsors, donors, and volunteers. To support these efforts, Bonneville Seattle and the Seattle Seahawks are proud to announce Rebuilding Together Seattle as the December charity of the month. To learn how you can help, please visit rtseattle.org. That's rtseattle.org.